What is cheese rolling? The Coopers Hill Cheese Roll is an annual race held at Coopers Hill in Gloucester, England. People chase a wheel of cheese down the hill in the hopes of catching the cheese. People have called it one of those crazy British traditions, and it has officially been named an extreme sport, which results in a number of injuries each year. Cheese rolling attracts competitors from all over the world. When does the Coopers Hill Cheese Roll take place? The race is always held on the spring bank holiday in May. In 2023, it will take place on the 29th of May. When and how did it start? It is believed that cheese rolling started at least 600 years ago in Gloucester, and there are two possible origins for the race. Some say it was a way to claim grazing rights on the land around Coopers Hill. Grazing rights give you permission to let your livestock, like cows, graze or feed in an area. Others believe it has pagan origins and was a spring fertility ritual that encouraged a good harvest after the harsh winter. What kind of cheese is used for the race? The cheese used is a 3 to 4 kilogram double Gloucester, which is a hard cheese, traditionally made in a circular shape. The wheel of cheese is protected for the race by a wooden casing or cover and is decorated with ribbons at the start of the race. What happens during the race? The race starts when the wheel of cheese is sent rolling down the hill, which is about 180 meters long and very steep and uneven. Competitors then chase the cheese down the hill. The first person over the finish line, at the bottom of the hill, wins the cheese. The aim is to catch the cheese, however, the cheese has about a 1-second head start and can reach speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour, making it virtually impossible to catch. Multiple races are held during the day, with separate events for men and women. Did you know? Due to the steepness and uneven surface of Coopers Hill, there are often several injuries after the races, so paramedics and ambulance vehicles are always on hand to help. Chris Anderson, from Brockworth, has won the most cheese roll races, with 22 wins. However, to achieve this, he has sustained injuries that include a concussion, bruised kidneys, and a broken ankle. Florence Early, from Stroud, has won the race 4 times, and is the champion of the ladies' cheese rolling race. She dislocated her shoulder during one of the races. The Coopers Hill Cheese Roll was featured in a 2020 Netflix documentary called We Are the Champions. It follows Florence's preparations in her attempt to win the ladies' race for the 4th time, something which had never been achieved before.